Good morning. Are you all there?
Fine, ma'am.
How are you, Bilal?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. So, how are your holidays?
And ma'am, they are good, ma'am.
Very good. Where are others? Please switch on to your videos. All of you, come on quickly. Hello, Musa. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Oh, we cannot see your face, only the eyes. Go a little behind, beta. Arhan, Hina, Hinda, switch on to your videos, all of you. Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes.
Good
Let
morning,
let them come one by one. Good morning, Hina. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also good. So, Happy New Year. You send me, no, on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So, life skills, we are having a life skills session now, right? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
have you all prepared yourself for the English exam? You all studied in the holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
All of
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll just inform you tomorrow what we'll do in English, no? Which lesson is left? A golden bird is left. Yes, revision?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? A golden bird.
Mhm.
Okay. And we finish prefixes, suffixes. We finish even synonyms we did.
No, ma'am.
No?
Synonyms we didn't do.
Speech marks we did. No? Revision?
No.
No. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do a golden bird and synonyms. Okay? All right?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give you a written revision and we'll do the revision. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
And I will let you know there might be oral exam of life skills and public speaking. Okay? So in your next session or maybe
Okay, ma'am.
last weekend, no, I will let you all know if there is an oral exam, okay, of life skill and public speaking. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
But English, we have a written exam. Which exam we have? Writing. In writing.
Written.
Written
Yes.
exam. Is that clear? English will be
Yes,
written
ma'am.
exam and life skills and public speaking. I will let you know whether there is an oral exam. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
meanwhile, in life skills, we will revise what we had done. We'll just go through the chapters. Okay. Who has joined now? Madiha, no?
Yes.
Madiha?
Good morning,
Good morning. English, there will be a written exam. Okay. All right. And life skills and public speaking, I will let you all know if there is an oral exam. All right.
Okay.
Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Now, can we do
Yes, ma'am.
a revision of which lessons we have done in life skills? We'll go back. Okay. See, you all remember you all had made this recipe, quickest food recipe. Yes? Yes or no? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Please quickly say yes, beta.
Can't see the. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I can't see the screen.
You all can't see the screen. 1 minute.
I can see, ma'am.
Who cannot see? Ikra, no? Ikra, is there a problem?
Now,
From your side?
ma'am. Now, ma'am.
Now you can see. I think we have started from this lesson after the exam was this lesson. Nation building food. Yes, but we had done an activity on food. Okay. So food, I won't ask you any questions for oral exam because we have completed an activity. I will ask you from this lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Character building values. Okay.
Ma'am, only this?
I will let you know better. Let me come to all
Okay,
the
ma'am.
lessons. Okay. First is this lesson. Write this lesson's name in your rough book. Character building
Okay, ma'am.
values.
Wait, ma'am.
Write it down. So that you all know from which lesson your oral can come. Okay. Life skills.
Ma'am, what's this page number?
What?
What is this page number?
1 minute, beta. There's this is, I think, 1 minute. F1. Okay. So this lesson is the I can ask you any question based on this lesson, F1. Okay. Now you all remember we had a discussion about
Good morning, ma'am.
values, right and wrong. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you do little bit up?
What, beta? You want the name?
Yes, ma'am.
Character building values. Okay. Please write it down. This is the first lesson of life skills. Now we'll do a little revision of this. Okay, anybody, can you all tell me the right moral values we had written and we had discussed? You all remember? Moral values. Do you all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, tell me which are the right moral values. Any two moral values which are right. Can I give you an example?
Yes, ma'am.
Early to bed and early to rise. Yes, it is a right
Yes.
moral value. Sleep early and get up early. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Eat food on time. Okay. So this is also one good moral. So can you all tell me two moral values now, each one of you? Yes. Can I start? We'll do a little revision so that in the
Okay,
exam,
ma'am.
if I ask you oral, you all won't have a problem. Madiha, switch on to your video, beta. Yes. Okay. First one, Hina, give me two moral values. And Hamza, beta, please stop drinking your tea now. Bad manners. Either you have before the session or after the session. Okay? All right. Okay. Bilal, start. Two moral values. Now I give you example.
Ma'am, taking care of your body and taking medicine when you are ill.
Yes, taking care of your body. All right. So what can come in taking care of your body?
Ma'am, exercise. Ma'am.
Exercise. Yes.
And eating good food, ma'am.
Yes, eating proper food.
And
Healthy
drink water a
avoid
lot.
junk food. Yes, yes. Drinking plenty of water. All right. So Bilal has given us two moral values. Can Arhan give me two moral values? Right moral values.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan. Bilal, sit down.
We studied odd and even.
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute. Arhan is saying something, beta. Yes, Arhan.
Drinking water.
Yes,
What?
we studied doubles and half. Doubles is addition.
Drinking water.
Drinking water, plenty of water. Okay. And
Eating vegetables.
huh?
Eating vegetables.
Okay, eating vegetables. Okay, very good. All right, now Hina, your turn.
Ma'am, if you cheat, you will never get ahead.
Yes, no cheating. Very good point. Very nice. If you cheat, you will never go ahead. Any one more moral value, beta? Come on, Hina, think quickly.
Ma'am, I know this one half, not fully.
Okay, say beta, I will help you.
Ability is not a different ability.
What?
Ma'am,
what?
I don't know this one. Ma'am,
Okay,
I
you
don't know
are
this
actually
one.
trying to say that everybody has a different ability to do the things. Yes? Yes? Everyone's
Yes.
capacity is different. Yes or no? Maybe you can do more work somebody else cannot do. Yes? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Ikra's
Ma'am.
turn. Yes, beta. Yes, Hinda.
Ma'am, we have to only say the right things.
I can ask you wrong also. First, we are doing 2 right. Okay? Okay. Ikra, your turn.
Ma'am, give respect, have respect.
Very good. Very good. Next, second one.
Help others.
Help others. Very good. Now Hinda's turn. Hinda, 2 right moral values.
Ma'am, I don't think so. If this is right, but I have thought it.
Tell me, beta.
Keep the environment clean and we should keep the earth clean.
Yes, it is a moral value, no? Environment, we have to keep the environment clean. Yes? Okay, and keep the earth also clean. All right, very good. Now next, Madiha, 2 moral values, beta.
Ma'am, help poor people.
Yes, help the poor and the needy. Very good. And second, one more, beta. Tina, switch on to your video, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, and see from today, I'm going to observe you all whose video is on, who is off, who is answering in the revision. Accordingly, we will give you marks in the exam. So please keep your videos on and answer
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
revision. Is that clear? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
We will be observing, all the teachers will be observing you, all the subjects. So please be attentive now. Okay? Yes? All right. Whom did I ask now? Madiha, no?
Ma'am,
Madiha, one more. Come on, quickly. Respect the elders. Yes? Is that fine? Respecting the elders? Just like how
Yes.
Ikra said, give respect, have respect. So you can say one more point, respect the elders. And even the youngers, not necessary that you have to only respect the elders. And with the youngers, you will try to talk, impolitely. That is wrong. Right? Okay. Hamza, 2 right moral values. Hamza?
Wait, ma'am, I'm thinking.
Okay. Very less children are there. Na? Zoheb, Sayyad. Who else has not joined?
Respect all.
Ma'am, Mariam.
Mariam, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
respect all.
Respect.
All.
What al?
Sorry, ma'am, all.
All. Yes, what is al? Respect all. Okay. And one more. Be kind. Yes. Be kind. Yes.
Good manner.
Huh?
Good manner.
Good manners. Having good manners. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now, Hinda, can you say 2 wrong moral values? I'll give you example.
Yes,
Telling
ma'am.
lies. Cheating. Okay.
Ma'am, Kandal.
Yes, Hina, you say.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Come on.
forgot.
Bilal, anybody else who knows can say quickly. Come on, 2 wrong moral
Ma'am,
values. Yes.
Ma'am, stealing and killing.
Stealing and killing. Very good. Next. Anybody else can try?
Shouting, ma'am.
Shouting. Okay. Very good. Next. Arhan. Anything you can say, Arhan?
Eating junk food.
Eating junk food. Okay. Very good. Hinda, now you try.
Didn't
Beta.
help others. Ma'am, didn't help others.
Not helping. Very good. Others. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay.
hurting everyone.
Hurting others' feelings. Very
Yes.
good. Anything else?
Ma'am, fighting.
Fighting. See, so many you got now. Understood? Okay. Being unkind, being
Yes, ma'am.
disloyal, being impolite. Yes.
Being unhonest.
Huh?
Unhonest.
Yes. Being dishonest. Dishonest. Okay.
Dishonest.
All right. So now we'll go to the next page and see what else is there. So these are the two things. And see now in the next, they have given about list 3 persons' admirable qualities. All this I won't be asking.
What to do in this list
This
three
is
of
okay. This
the
we had done in the activity, so this is not required. Next. Now see this top 10, 20 order of the importance. You'll remember?
Ma'am, we have also done this.
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you'll remember?
Ma'am,
So
page
now
number.
maybe I can ask you any three.
Right. Be quiet.
Be quiet, Ray. Let me tell you, let me speak. Okay, listen, beta. From this top 20, okay, I can ask you any 3. Okay, is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So please go through them. Like you can say, if I ask you top 20, out of the top 20 values, give me the names of 3. Okay, so you can say honesty, respectability,
Value.
truth.
Truth.
Okay,
Moral.
Ma'am,
honor,
value.
morals, etiquette. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Performance.
know about equality, ma'am. Ma'am, there are a lot of equality issues in this world today because, ma'am, the poor people, ma'am, they are getting poorer and the rich people, they
Yes,
are
the rich
getting
are
richer.
getting richer only day by day. And the poor
So-
have nothing, bichara. Okay.
So
Now
that,
the next.
yes.
Yes. Now the next topic is fairy tales. All this I won't ask you because these are all kiddish things. But moral values I can ask you. Okay. This all we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
done. Now come to next lesson. Write the next lesson's name, beta. Social skills, respect for self.
Ma'am, page number.
1 minute, huh? This is G1. Okay. Now here I can ask you, give me a slogan on respect. Do you all remember? I had made you all write a slogan. Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Can you
I've
all
written it,
check
shall
in
I
your
say?
books and tell me the slogan one by one or one line about
Ma'am,
respect?
Ma'am, can it?
Ma'am, in the
Yes, Inda, tell me.
respect is how to treat others.
Very good. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammad Hamza, Asiya Faruqi, switch on to your videos.
Yes,
Musa, Hamza. Who is Asiya Faruqi? Is that Maria?
Syed.
Sayyad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sayyad
ma'am.
has different names always.
Oh, this name is of her mother.
Ma'am, can I say something? Can
Yes.
I say something about respect, ma'am?
Yes, tell
If
me.
someone, if you respect someone with fear, then that is not respect.
Yes, if you respect somebody because you just fear the person, that means you are not respecting. You are getting scared and respecting the person. Okay. All right. Okay. Anybody else? Any slogan? Any one-liner you want to share of yours?
Yes, ma'am. Respect is very important.
Mommy,
Okay. Madiha, yes. Tell me, beta.
be kind to everyone.
Be kind. Okay. Arhan, what slogan you had written? What, beta? Can you all hear him? I cannot hear him.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is he saying? Arhan, say again, beta. Come again. Arhan, say again, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Inda, wait, beta. I've always told you to wait when somebody is talking.
ma'am,
What? Avoid junk food. That will not come in respect. See, I'm sharing the thing again. Wait. Yes.
ma'am, can I say the slogan? Ma'am, can I say the slogan that I wrote?
Yes. Say, please.
Respect yourself and others will respect you.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Good boy, Sayyad. See, I'm sharing that.
Ma'am, what
you all
is the
see
name
this?
of the chapter?
Just now we wrote it. Social skills, respect for self. G1. See, all these. You need to just go through all these. Choose one. And maybe in the exam I can ask you. Tell me a slogan on respect. Is that clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I'm showing you all. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ji,
ma'am,
beta. Yes.
ma'am, I've think one respect line. I know I've not written, but I've think one line.
Tell me.
In our country, all people needs respect.
Yes, we need to respect one another. See, this is the lesson. Social skills, respect for self. G1. Okay? Is that clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can we go, ma'am? Okay, let me see the time. Okay, no time.
What you're saying?
Nothing, ma'am.
I don't know what he's murmuring. He's feeling sleepy, I think. Then respect for self. Yes? Remember we had done this? I asked you all to go and see in the mirror and everybody said, no, I don't look so good. I look nice. Somebody said, I look very nice. Yes? And I had told you.
I look average. I think I look
Yes,
average.
but you have to respect yourself. If you don't love yourself, others will not love you, beta. First, you have to love yourself. Respect yourself, others will respect you. Is that clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
next
ma'am.
chapter. Write the next chapter now. 4 living values.
Ma'am, which
Four
page number?
living values. And this is truth. I'll give you page number 1 minute.
Ma'am, H1. Ma'am, H1.
Yes, very good. H1.
Ma'am, I
H1.
got it. I
Yes.
got it.
Yes, H1. Now, just like respect, we had written about a slogan on truth. Can you all share that one by one?
What, ma'am?
We had written a slogan on truth also.
Ma'am,
You all
can
remember?
I say?
Yes, Madiha, tell me.
The truth will let you free, but not until it is finished with you.
Yes, very good. The truth will set
Can
you
I
free.
say mine?
Yes, yes, Sayyad.
Ma'am, can I say something on
1
truth,
minute,
ma'am?
1 minute. Wait, Bilal.
But lies hurt forever.
Say loudly, beta. Sayyad again.
Truth may hurt for some time, but lies hurt forever.
Yes, truth can hurt for some time. So I sometimes I say the truth and I say, please don't switch on to your videos. You'll get very upset, no, when I shout at you. Yes, you'll feel bad. But that is for your own good, because if your video is off, you are not concentrating better. Yes or no? Yes?
Ma'am, can I say something on truth?
Yes, say.
Those who lie live in the past, and those who tell the truth live in the future.
Those who
Tell the truth live in the future.
tell the truth live in the future. Yes, right.
Oh, no,
Very
it
good.
wasn't like that. It wasn't like that.
Okay, now I'm giving only 5 minutes. 5 minutes to all of you. You all have to write a slogan again on truth and respect. 5 minutes. Who is first? Let me see. Start. Come on. The time starts now. 5 minutes. I want to see who is first. Go on Google. You can Google and write quickly. Come on fast. I don't want to see all that Hina. Write, start writing. It will help you in the exam. Slogan on truth and respect. Quickly.
Forward 4 times, right?
10:25, 10:30. I will check. Hamza, start writing.
4 times, right? Ma'am, to reach 16, you have to jump forward back. Forward 4 times, okay? So I'll jump forward 4 times like this, and this.
Who is first? I will see.
And reach 16.
Hamza, you're not writing, Hamza.
Yes. Yes.
He's busy talking with his family. Write quickly, beta.
Ma'am, my pencil broke.
Get one more. How can I give you from here? Very good. Arhan is first. Arhan, please type it and send it to me because I can't hear you, bacha. Send me on chat, beta. Quickly. You are first, okay? Let me see who is second. Hamza, I'll come and beat you now like that. You're doing mischief. Naughty boy. He's making faces on the screen.
Ma'am, can I say mine? I have written both of them.
Very good.
I'll-
Second is Bilal. No, wait, let everybody complete it. They're all writing.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So third is Madiha.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth is Hina. Okay. Now the first is Arhan. Arhan is typing Arhan, beta, in the chat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Type it and send it to me, please. Completed, beta, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Last 1 minute.
Done, ma'am. I'm sending in chat now.
Only Arhan I said, beta, because okay, there is Bilal has written. Respect is earned, not given. The truth doesn't cost anything, but lies cost everything. Yes, very good. Bilal, very good. Excellent. Yes, Arhan, have you sent? Are you still typing? Okay, Madhya, can you read out what you have written, beta?
The truth doesn't cost anything, but a lie could cost you everything.
It's just like Bilal, no? Yes. Okay, and what about respect, beta? Respect. You have not written about respect?
No.
Write it down. Come on, write it. Good boy. Okay, a truth that's told with the bad intent, that is intention, treats all the lies you can invent. Yes, very good. And what about respect, Arhan? You're writing? Okay, type. Hinda, Hina, switch on to your videos. Come on, time up. Hinda, Hina.
Ma'am, Hinda, I've only done that
What, bacha?
truth. Only the truth I've done.
Okay, tell me about truth. What you have written?
If you wish to see the truth, then hold no opinion for or against.
Beta, write something small. Don't write big, okay? It's okay if you have written this, but in the exam, in the oral, when I ask you, say something simple, okay? So that you don't forget. Is that okay, Hinda? Yes?
Yes.
Say simple things, beta, which you remember. So otherwise, if you choose a long one, you will tend to forget it, beta. Okay, bacha? Choose a small one. Huh? And
Ma'am,
write
can
it
I tell?
down. Yes, Hina, tell me.
Ma'am, truth. The truth will set you free, but not until it is finishes with you.
Yes, very good. And for respect?
Uh,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
What?
respect I have not written.
Okay, write it down. Chalo, write it down. Arhan, I'm reading. 1 minute, Arhan. Respect yourself, others will respect you. Very good. Excellent. Good boy. Bilal and Arhan have done their duty quickly. Anybody else has written? Hamza?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read what you have written?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, drink. Only water, no juice. Ikra, beta, have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Both I have done.
Okay, read it
Can I
out.
say?
Yes.
Truth. The truth may hurt for a little bit, but a lie hurts forever.
Forever. Very good. And what about respect?
Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it.
Yes, very good. Very good. Very good, Ikra. And this you have to say it oral, okay? By on your own in the exam if I ask you. No copying and no reading. Next, who else has
Ma'am, can I
written,
tell?
beta? Hina,
Ma'am, can I
yes,
tell
beta.
Respect is one of the greatest expression of love.
Respect is
Expression.
one of the greatest expression of love. Very good. Yes. See, when you love somebody, you respect them more. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes or no? If we respect our teachers, our elders, our parents. Yes or no? Why? Because
Yes,
we
ma'am.
love them. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hamza, a truth that's told with the bad
Done, ma'am.
intent treats all the lies you invent. Hamza, have you written this?
Sure.
Yes, very good. All right. What happened, Madhya? Are you saying something?
Yes.
Say.
The idea of respect is more than just being polite.
The idea of respect is more than being
the idea of respect is more than just being polite.
Yes, polite is only if you're talking politely, but respect has lots of aspects. Yes, you are, when somebody comes to your house, how do you treat them? You are kind, you are polite, the kind of hospitality, how you treat the person, that also comes in respect. Yes or no? Suppose if somebody has come, you say hello, how are you, and then you start shouting. Are you respecting
Yes,
them?
ma'am.
No,
No.
you're not respecting. The way we treat also, it comes in respect. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last 5 minutes, chalo, we'll play a game now. Some game we'll play.
Ma'am, I can't play a game.
You
Ma'am.
can't?
No, I'm feeling really sleepy.
How can you behave like this, Bilal? You're feeling sleepy? Huh?
Really sleepy, ma'am.
Why? You didn't
Ma'am,
sleep in the night?
holidays.
See how
Hmm.
he's behaving? See, his eyes are closing.
Ma'am, at winter we don't like to get up early.
I know everybody faces that problem. Yes. Bilal, you got up for Fajr namaz?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good boy.
At 5 o'clock. It's also Fajr.
What Sayyad is saying so softly, I cannot understand, Sayyad.
No, ma'am. Even I woke up at Fajr, but
Say loudly, we can't hear you, beta.
ma'am is
Ma'am,
saying
he
that
is
I
telling-
have not woke up at the Fajr.
He woke
Ma'am,
up for
Hinda,
Fajr.
ma'am, Hinda, I am done the both.
Huh, say Hinda quickly.
Ma'am, first the truth and the respect. The truth,
Yes.
I am saying about truth. Speak the truth even if it be against.
What? Say again, come again.
Speak the truth if it even be against.
Okay, speak the truth even if it is against. Yes. Okay, and next, respect.
And the respect is earned, not given.
Respect is earned, not given. Yes. You have to earn respect. Yes or no? If I always shout at you, you will respect me? No. You will not like me. Suppose I shout, you must always observe. I shout at Hinda. Hinda, your video is off. But after 2 minutes, I will call out her name. Hinda, are you there? Yes or no? Yes, because I don't want her to feel bad all the time that Miss is shouting at me.
Ma'am, can I say you one thing?
Yes, Bacha.
Ma'am, when you shout now, I love it.
You love it. That is why she keeps the video off. Okay, Hinda, I've seen your DP. Who are the 3 children in that?
Which one?
Your DP is there, no? In your WhatsApp. Who are the 3 children?
Ma'am, and who? Like my mother or my father?
No, I think it's your mother's, this Hinda. Mother's.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is that?
Wait, ma'am.
No, today though there is something of eating. Some eating photo is there. But earlier there were 3 children in that. Is that your brother and sister?
Ma'am, you see my DP?
Ma'am, I have not seen it.
Ah, you have not seen
Ma'am.
it. I see everybody's DP.
Ma'am, only I remember now she escaped the Nancha.
You see my brother's DP?
What happened?
Like my mother's profile picture on WhatsApp.
But I don't have your number. The children whose number, those who send me messages, no? I have that one. Hina is one favorite. She sends me, hello ma'am, where are you? How are you? She'll send me. Sometimes Ikra sends me, Happy New Year, no Ikra? Yes.
Ma'am, when will you come?
Ma'am, I
Where?
don't change my DP only.
You want to see me? Okay, one day we'll do one thing. We will plan one meeting in where you all stay, Navi Mumbai, no? We will keep on get together in Navi Mumbai. Okay? Then I'll call all the children in Navi
Tell us
Mumbai.
the date. Ma'am, tell us the date.
Ma'am,
Otherwise
we
you
will
don't
come
know.
in hotel and meet.
In hotel. Oh, wow. Okay. We will plan one meeting. Okay? I will try to plan one meeting. All right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
come in Heaven Black Hotel because I'm near of that.
What, beta?
Just WhatsApp and came.
What, bacha?
in the hotel have a break, ma'am.
Okay, we'll all
And
meet in the restaurant. Okay, no problem. Okay, what beta Madiha?
Ma'am, would you like to come to Qatar? When, ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you tell us the date?
Can we try on 14 Feb Valentine's Day?
Well, ma'am, if
Okay.
you don't have
We'll try on
Ma'am,
14 Feb Valentine's Day. It's the day for all those who love one another. No, I love you also. I'll try to meet you all on Valentine's Day. See, Mariam has joined
McDonald's.
so late. Mariam, you are sleeping? Good morning. Mariam has joined just now. Okay, now
class is
listen to
over.
me. Tomorrow I'm taking a test in English of a golden bird and synonym. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
A
ma'am.
golden bird and synonyms. Okay? So tomorrow I'll give you a revision on that. Please learn that lesson. Okay? Chalo, bye-bye everybody. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. You all also have a
Bye,
nice day.
ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, even the meaning.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
can you send me on Google Classroom?
What?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you send the exam?
Exam for tomorrow is a class test. I have told you golden bird synonyms. It's not
ma'am,
exam.
Inna, will you take the meanings also?
Yes, I will take everything, bacha. Full lesson. Okay? Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you tomorrow, beta.
Bye.
Bye, all of you. Bye.